Hey loves, in this video I'm going to show you how I created this DIY hair accessories featured in my last video, letter N from the ABC Bridal series. To get started, you'll need either 16 or 18 gauge wire. Any color will do. I just chose colors that would be slightly more formal for the ABC Bridal series, but you don't have to choose these same colors. You'll need a set of needle nose pliers and a thick pen or marker. Try to find a utensil that matches the diameter or thickness of your lock or twist. The beads are optional if you're looking to embellish your accessories. Again, I chose colors that I could use for the ABC Bridal series, as well as those that would stand out with my black hair color. But you can really go bold with these colors when choosing the wire and the beads, such as shades of blue, green, pink. The list goes on. So here I'm just going to show you how to do a standard accessory. This is I believe an 18 gauge wire that I'm using, and I'm just wrapping the tip of it around my needle nose plier. You can do as much wrapping around as you choose. It just really depends on the person. I did this I think around about 5 times, as you can see here. And I didn't really measure out. You're gonna have to kind of like eyeball it. And I'm just taking this wire and wrapping it around my pin. Again, you can do this as much as you want, but I want this accessory to be kind of long, so I'm gonna call this one my larger accessory, or a longer accessory piece. I'm just going to take that needle nose plier and take the end of that wire, and I'm going to do the same thing I did the first time and kind of just wrap that around until I basically finish the rest of that wire as you can see there. And then when I get that off of the needle nose plier, I'm just going to kind of make it flush, or make that end kind of flush to the pin that I'm using. And then from there, you can reshape it, or either push the wire in or extend it out, however you please. Now for the second piece, I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the first one, but this time I'm making a shorter accessory like what you saw in the video. So again, I'm just wrapping it around about 4 times. And then making sure that that's how I want it to look like. I'm going to take my pin. That's about the same size of my twist that I currently have in my hair. And I'm just going to make that flush to the pin and kind of wrap that around a couple of times. Probably like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think about 5 times. And then I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and do that same twisting motion again until I run out of wire. And then I'm going to make that flush against the pin. And then from this point, this is really just kind of reshaping the wire to look the way you want it to look. So you can pull it out, extend it out farther, or kind of tighten it in, however you feel you want to do that. Here I'm showing you what you can do if you want to use some beads in your design. So again, I'm using a shorter piece of wire. This is also an 18 gauge size wire. Again, I'm doing the same thing. I think that's basically what I did for all the accessories. You're just going to do the twisting motion. Of course, if you don't want to do the twisting motion, then you can do something else. You don't have to do what I'm doing in this video to create your accessories, because we all know accessories and what you can do with them is limitless. So this I'm just wrapping it around just a few times because I want to make sure I'm able to have enough room to apply my beads on there. And so I'm getting ready to put my last bead on here. As you can see. And then I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and I'm going to twist it around in a nice little swirly pattern until I run out of wire. And then I'm just going to reshape this one. As you can see, I've actually done this before. That one at the bottom is a 16 gauge wire, so it's a little bit thicker. And for this one, this is actually a different shade wire. This is more in the silver, I believe, taupe category. And I just wanted to kind of create a different look with this one, so I just took one bead. Kind of reminds me of like the shape of the earth, a globe. So I thought this one would be kind of unique. Again, same technique with wrapping the wire around, but I only did that a few times in this piece. I'm going to slide my bead on there, and then I'm just going to continue wrapping that around my pin. Again, like I said, I want to make it flush to the pin so I can hold it in place. It makes it easier wrapping the wire around the pin so that I can get the right shape that I'm looking for. And you guys, this is so easy to do. Once you've done it once or twice, you're just like, whoa, this is really easy, making your own accessory. I'm going to take my needle nose plier and I am going to finish it off until I reach the end of the wire. Going to make it flush against the pin. And then reshape it just a little bit, but there you go. This is the last DIY accessory that I'm showing in this video on how to recreate. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I will love to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, you guys, bye bye.